Okay, so today I'm going to do oxtail soup. It's a type of bone broth, but you have some meat with it too, and it is delightful. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to put these guys in my Instant Pot. It's actually called a cuckoo. I also have a kasori, but we got these from Whole Foods. And I'm excited to see how they turn out. We'll probably cook them for about 6 hours. They've already been thawing for a bit. And we also got some liver from Whole Foods that was really good. So I'm going to add an onion, I'm going to add some salt, probably some celery, maybe a carrot. And we're going to let this cook for about 6 hours. Okay, I'm going to put it to there so I have room for onions.
Set the cooking time with selection button minus or plus. Then press cook button. Meat. Porridge. Browning fries. Multi-cook. Slow cook. Set the cooking time and heating level with selection button minus or plus and heat button. Then press the cook button. Turn the handle to the lock position. Starting the slow cook.
Pardon me while I scratch my nose. So the trick to YouTubing, sorry. The trick to YouTubing is that it's a whole lot easier to take the video than it is to remember later to edit it. So I've got a bazillion new videos from being here that are not edited. They're just sitting there on my computer. Sorry while I scratch my nose again.
I'm good this time.
You're good this time?
I'm dressed for the Arctic tundra.
Where are you, Arctic tundra? There you are, Arctic tundra. As you can see,
just normally.
you're just normal. Oh, good. She's
good to
always
know.
prepared for an Arctic tundra because she has the body to withstand the cold.